We're never looking back. This is our time right now.
Now let's move on to music video generation, where I'll show you how to create a singing video using images. Go to the music video generator section. First, describe the type of video you want. I'll write a simple sentence. A young lady singing on the stage. Next, upload your first image for the first frame. I'll use this image here. For the second frame, I'll upload another image. After uploading both images, I'll keep all other settings the same and only set the quality to 1080p. Then, click on the Generate button. After a short wait, the video will be ready. The video has now been generated. Let me play it for you.
I feel the energy rising tonight. Let me hear you sing.
As you can see, the video looks very realistic. The audio is perfectly synchronized, the visuals are sharp, and the overall quality is outstanding. Alright, now you can also use Beatviz to create videos like this. That's it for today's video. If you need any help with video creation or have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll make sure to reply to everyone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving tutorials on amazing AI tools. I'll see you in the next video.